Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Hazir Kalbi Muhammad Hanafi. As you can see, our group will present about set 2 math presentation. Introduction for differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is all about finding rates of change of one quantity compared to another. We need differentiation when the rate of change is not constant. Theory of differentiation. Differentiation can be defined as a process to find a derivative. The derivative denotes the gradient of the tangent line to a curve at any point on the curve. Suppose y equal to fx is the equation of a graph in the term of variable x. Then the differentiation of y with respect to x is dy over dx equal to fx. If we substitute the value of x at point of fx, the gradient of fx at the point can be found. In calculus, the second order of derivative of function is the derivative of the first derivative. The second order of derivative of function fx is usually denoted as fx, that is fx equal to f when using Leibniz notation for derivative. The second order of derivative depend variable y with respect to an independent variable x is written as du of 2y over dx. In set 2, there are 3 questions. First is determine the coordinate of the turning point of the curved line y equal to 3x power of 2 minus x power of 3 minus 3 plus 24x. Second question is determine the nature of turning point. And the last question is sketch the graph of the turning point. First, we will talk about this. Determine the coordinate of the turning point of the curved line y equal to 3x power of 2 minus x power of 3 minus 3 plus 24x. Here's the solution. First step, we need to change the place of negative x power of 3 and 24x. So the y equal to negative x power of 3 plus 3x power of 2 plus 24x minus 3. And then we multiply forward 3, 2, and 1. So the answer will be y equal to negative 3x. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 plus 6x. 2 minus 1 equal to 1 plus 24. x 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So the answer is negative 3x power of 2 plus 6x plus 24. Second step, we need to apply dy dx. So dy dx equal to 3x power of 2 plus 6x plus 24. And then we use equivalent function in calculator. Negative 3 power of 2 6x plus 24. So the answer will be x equal to 4 and x equal to negative 2. Third step, we need to apply the answer that we got just now in the x. So y equal to 3 multiply by 4 power of 2 minus 4 power of 3 minus 3 plus 24 multiply 4. So the answer will be 77. And then we apply negative 2. Y equal to 3 multiply negative 2 power of 2 minus negative 2 power of 3 negative 3 plus 24 multiply negative 2. So the answer is negative 31.
Hello, my name is Miranda Ivanova, and my mentor number is 3GDBE 21F1034. So this question is the first step is t squared 1 over dx and dy over dx equal to negative 3x squared plus 6x plus 24. And the differentiation for the next step is t squared y over dx equal to negative 6x plus 6. For the second step, for this question is x equal to 4, and the differentiation is t squared 1 over the x equal to negative 6 bracket 4 plus 6. And this form we gather from this. And the answer for this differentiation is negative 8 is less than 0. And the point is because because is negative. For that is x equals to negative 2. Differentiate bracket negative 2 plus 6. Negative 2 is the from the negative. And the other for the differentiated is equal to negative 0. One minimum thoughts are is positive. For the next question is sketch the graph on the turning point. So the first step we have to do a table like the example x is 2 negative 1 0 1 4 and write the 0 negative 3 1 23 1 29 3 69 4 7 7. Okay, so now here we can see. So the first we use and given one. So like this, we have for this is how we just got negative 2 and negative 1 and this line is 23 negative 3 1 negative 4 7 like constant yeah, thank you.